Hi guys, welcome to my 2-Minute Tuesdays. No fuss tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cream cheese icing. We use a 2-to-1 ratio with cream cheese to butter, so it's extra creamy. I use it to ice my carrot cake and my hummingbird cake, but you can use it for anything because it's just downright delicious. Now, if you like these short tutes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you know when new ones are coming out. Better yet, if you know somebody who would like to see this recipe, please share it with them. You know that sharing is caring, right? I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.